Hello and welcome to my fourth lesson. Today we'll be going over the for loop. So let's go get ahead and get started underneath our if and else if from last lesson. If you missed that, always go back and check that because that'll be useful today. So I'm writing here for I equals 0 to 1, and that will just tell the computer to do what we're going to write twice. So I'm writing text window.pause, which pauses the text window, and text window.clear, which clears everything that is on the window. So our next line is going to be text window dot write line, which random question do you want to answer, A or B? So after I've written this, I'm going to be creating a variable. So I'm going to go ahead and create that now. So to do that, we just write what we can want to call it, Q. Q equals text window.read. So this allows the computer to read the user input. And so I'm going to put a space and we're going to write if Q equals A, or if Q equals A, then, and here comes another text window.write line. Text window.write line, what is your favorite food? So once you've done that, we're going to be creating another variable. This one is going to be called food. So we just put food equals text window dot read. I've just scrolled down so we can see it better. Now we're going to write text window dot write line, you like plus food. So whatever the user has put in as their food, for example chicken, it'll write you like chicken, and then the computer will also write at the end of that, you have great taste. So after that, we're going to write else if just correcting my spellings there. Else if Q equals B, or Q equals B, then text window.write line what is your favorite drink? So again, just like the food variable question before, the computer will display this. And so we're going to go ahead and create our drink variable. So we're going to call it drink equals text window.read. So this will do exactly what the food variable did last time. And so it'll just read the user input, and then we're going to write text window dot write line, you like, and then plus drink. So this will insert the variable into the sentence, and then we're just going to finish off this sentence with me too. So the computer will finish writing me too to end the sentence. And then now we've got to end our if, so end if, and then we also need to end the for after this, so space and for, and so it should look like this. Right click, format program, I just like to do this because then everything looks neat, and run. So it says, hello, what is your name? T minus tech. Tech. I'm good. So which random question would you like to answer? A, my favourite food, chicken. It says you have great taste, which is what we programmed it to do, and it's asking us the question again. So that was our for loop, and I've written B this time, and it's asked me my favourite drink, Pepsi. And that is the end of my tutorial. Thank you for watching. Always remember to save, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.